thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, until 1 p.m. At 12:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Paw Paw, or 7 miles south of Shibona, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois. Damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and long ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Content, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 85. Interstate 88 between mile markers 99 and 101. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 85. Interstate 88 between mile markers 99 and 101. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.